This video explains the basic usage of the NanoVelox. You can find the power button on the right side of the NanoVelox. Press the button to power on the NanoVelox. NanoVelox will start up and the display will turn on. Once powered on, initializing will proceed automatically. This is the main menu of NanoVelox. You can use the provided touch pen to control the display panel. You can also connect a mouse and keyboard to control the NanoVelox. Tap nucleic acid, then select dsDNA for your measurement. Dispense 0.5 to 1 microliter of elution buffer onto the microvolume port. Lower the arm, then tack blank. The blank measurement runs for times automatically to determine the optimal path length. After blank measuring, wipe off any remaining elution buffer. Dispense the same volume of your sample onto the microvolume port. Lower the arm, then tack, measure. The NanoVelox completes the measurement in less than 6 seconds. After measurement, tap the result icon to view the full wavelength absorbance graph. Tap the report icon to check absorbance values at specific wavelengths. With an optional upgrade, NanoVelox also supports Cuvette measurements. On the main menu, tap UV-Vis. To switch to Cuvette mode, tap the option button at the top right. Select Microvolume or Cuvette. Check Cuvette and set the path length. Tap the 3-point menu and enter the wavelength you wish to measure. Tap Add to insert a new line and enter additional wavelengths. Insert the cuvette containing the blank sample into the cuvette holder, then tack blank. The blank measurement in cuvette mode is now complete. Insert the cuvette containing the sample into the cuvette holder, then tack, measure. The sample absorbance measurement in Cuvette mode is now complete. On the left side, you can view absorbance values numerically. On the right, you can view the absorbance curve for each wavelength. After the measurement, tap the result icon to see the full wavelength absorbance graph. Tap the report icon to review absorbance of each wavelength. Tap the edit icon to rename your sample. On the result or report screen, tap the option button. Select Report Print, then tap OK. Here, the NanoVelox is connected to an optional thermal printer. Tap the print button. You can see the results being printed from the connected thermal printer. The printed report looks like this. Tap the measurement icon to return to the main measurement screen. Tap the option button. Tap Save to store your recent experiment. On the result or report screen, tap the Option button. Check Report Microsoft Excel file, then tap OK. You can save an Excel report like this to your desired location. Check Chartwood Map file, then tap OK. You can save a graph image like this in your preferred folder. To safely power off, tap the shutdown button at the bottom right corner of the display, instead of using the physical switch. This brings us to the end of the basic guide for using the NanoVelox. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.